Hey, how you guys doing today? This is Stan with Hill on Two Wheels. We are at C&E Auburn Indian and V-Twin and installing a few products on my 2015 Indian Roadmaster. The first product that we're going to put on here, they're all from Custom Dynamics. These are all American-made products, and they're all to enhance my vision on the road, as well as enhance the ability of drivers that are sharing the road with me to see me out there as well. First product we're talking about today is the Magic Strobe. This is an attachment that hooks up to your brake light. You have, I believe it's 7 different setting options that you can, when you apply the brake, your rear brake light will brighten up and it'll flash. It has a strobe effect to it. So that greatly enhances the ability of you to get somebody's attention that's driving behind you, so help you avoid being rear-ended out there on the road. That's a great product. I'm real excited to have this addition to the bike. That's called the Magic Strobe. Okay, the next product we're looking at here is the TruBEAM 7-inch LED headlamp from Custom Dynamics. This is automotive grade LED, and it comes with a lifetime LED warranty. It's brighter than the stock version, so this is another great addition to the bike. So this will be another item that we're putting on the bike today. Okay, and the final product that we're putting on the bike today is the TruBEAM 4.5-inch LED passing lamps. So they're going to replace the stock passing lamps here. This is a great product as well. It's all LED lighting. It's got a lifetime warranty on the LEDs, and this product is 5 times brighter than the stock passing lamps. So that's going to help us see critters alongside the road at night, and also that guy getting ready to turn left right in front of you. You want to bring as much awareness to your existence out there on the road as possible. So I'm real excited about this addition to the motorcycle as well. So this is all Custom Dynamics products. Look them up, great products. These are sold anywhere that drag specialties products are at. And obviously here at C&E Auburn Indian and V-Twin. The Magic Strobe is available for Indian motorcycles from 2014 through 2018, and it works with every model of Indian motorcycle with the exception of the Indian Scout. And of course it works on, they have them for your Harley Davidson motorcycle as well. And this product has 10 different strobe options available to you. We chose to go with 7 flashes, with the brake light going solid on the 7th flash. The Magic Strobe, the headlight, and the passing lamps are very easy to install. It's pretty much a plug-and-play system. The most difficult part of this project was just we had to remove the front part of the fairing to attach the passing lamps, but that was only 6 screws and it came off no problems and right back on again. Very simple to set up. Custom Dynamics also has great videos on their website that will show you how to install these products as well. Here we go, testing them out.
Holy smokes!
What a difference.
That's crazy. Good
That's
job.
amazing.
That last part that I hooked up, that white wire, is for your halo.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's impressive. Yeah, get a good view of that. There you go. Woo. That's bright. Very cool. Well, thank you very much, Ed,
You're welcome.
for setting us up here. I feel like we're going to be a little safer already with this setup. That is really bright. I'm surprised how much brighter that
Should give
is.
you some daylight.
Custom Dynamics. You can pick these lights up right here at C&E, Auburn Indian and V-Twin, or anywhere else that Drag Specialties parts are sold. They can help you get it installed. You can just buy them and install them yourself. It's not a super difficult thing, pretty much plug and play. So we got the new driving lamps that are 5 times brighter than the stock, a much brighter headlight, as well as a modulating tail light now. So great additions to the bike. Thanks again, Ed. Really appreciate the help. Stay tuned to Hill on Two Wheels. We'll be decking out a Dyna here real soon with Custom Dynamics lights, and this baby is going to light up the world. So stay tuned. Come back for more great lighting information from Custom Dynamics and Hill on Two Wheels.